In this video, I'm going to show you how to make pop-up link in Wix. Let's get started. First, we want to add a pop-up link. So on the left side, go to Add Elements, Interactive, and then pick an interactive one that you would like. I prefer Subscribe, so just drag and drop this here. Then you will see this. Now, I don't want to change the aesthetics that much. I mean, just for the sake of this video, but you could go to Settings, and then I want to display this to, let's say, first page visitors see, and then I want it to delay in about 7 seconds and add a close button or an X icon. Yeah, that's better. Now let's exit this out. Now let's say that this one, we want to add like a specific link. So click on the button that has or wherein you want to take them to a link, and then go to Settings. And then when visitors submit a form, you could either show success message or go to site page. Now let's choose a link. In this one, we could either choose a specific page wherein if they subscribe, they will go here, or you could do a web address. Let's say youtube.com. But I want to link them to a page wherein if they subscribe, so let's say book online and then done. And that's about it. That's how to make pop-up link in Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.